Are you looking for something new to read? Try out a NextReads newsletter. You can subscribe to all of them by clicking this button up here, or select individual ones. You can also view a description of what they are about by clicking the title. And if you click View Latest Issue, you'll be able to see what the newsletter will look like. This one shows you what we're reading at the Manlius Library. After selecting the newsletters you'd like to join, simply add your name and email address. To unsubscribe, go to the bottom of one of the emails and click Manage Subscription. Uncheck any of the newsletters you would no longer like to receive, or click Unsubscribe from all newsletters and updates from Novelist on the bottom of the screen. Then check I'm not a robot and make sure you click Save My Email Preferences.